Hi friends, today I discuss coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry or in this lecture, I discuss on distance formula. I discuss on distance formula. So the first thing is this, what is the use of distance formula? So basically distance formula is used to find the distance between 2 points. Let us now I take these 2 points P whose coordinate is x1 comma y1 or the second point Q whose coordinate is x2 comma y2. Now draw coordinate axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the first thing is this, or let us draw a perpendicular from P on x-axis and also draw a perpendicular from Q on x-axis. This point is R and this point is S. Now again I draw a perpendicular from P on QS line. This intersect at the point T. Now find the distance between these 2 points P and Q. So if you see, this is the origin O whose coordinate is 0, 0. Now the coordinate of point P is x1, y1. So this distance, so the horizontal distance is x1. So the OR is equal to x1. In similar thing, the coordinate of point Q is x2, y2. So the horizontal distance of S from O is x2. So the OS is equal to x2. So on the basis of these two, define RS which is equal to OS minus OR. So x2 minus x1. And now in similar way, let's decide this PR which is equal to y1, the vertical distance of point P, and in similar thing the vertical distance of point Q is y2. So I again find this distance QT which is equal to y2 minus y1. So I again define first PR which is equal to y1, QS which is equal to y2, and on the basis of this find QT which is equal to QS minus PR which is equal to y2 minus y1. Now I find this distance PQ. So I draw this triangle QTP in different way or in separate. This is Q, this is T, and this is P. Sorry, this is P. Now you know that this distance is equal to y2 minus y1. This distance is equal to x2 minus x1. And you need to find the distance PQ. So apply . Pythagoras theorem in right angle triangle QTP. The T angle is right angle. So apply Pythagoras. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. Now put the value PQ square is equal to x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So the final value of PQ is under root x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. This is the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points whose coordinates are given. Now one more important thing, if the starting point is origin, if the P point is coincides with origin, or if the starting point is origin, which is 0, 0, then if you find the distance between point O and Q, so the distance OQ is just x square plus y square. X square plus y square, because initial point coincides with origin, so the value of x1 and y1 is equal to 0. So the remaining value is x2 and y2, and I say x2 is x and y2 is y. So the distance of point Q from the origin point is equal to OQ, which is equal to root x square plus y square. So now I discuss one example in next page. Now I take example in which find the relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. So the first point A, which is 7 comma 1, and the second point is B, which is 3 comma 5, and the unknown point P, which coordinates is x comma y. And in problem given that this P point is equal distance from point A and B, so these distance are equal. So AP is equal to BP. Now find AP. Now both the squaring the both side, which is AP square is equal to BP square. Now apply the distance formula between A and P, which is x minus 7 square plus y minus 1 square equal to x minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square. X minus 7 square plus y minus 1 square, x minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square. Apply a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab 14x. Again apply similar formula on these. So plus y square minus 2y plus 1 equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 10y plus 25. So y square cancel, x square cancel. So rearrange these terms and find x minus y equal to 2. So this is the relation between the coordinates of point P, and this is the required answer. So I hope you understand the distance formula and how to solve this problem, how to solve the problem on the base of distance formula. So please download the Scholar Learning app, and if you already download this, then enjoy learning. Thanks to watching this video.